Thomas. Go, Thomas.
Take those two rods. See how they're. Do me a favor. Walk back there. See this rod how I keep caught up on these.
Yeah.
Don't put him in the boat. Leave right there. Take Spanish.
Spanish mackerel.
Put it right there in that one. And
Okay.
then take the net out and hand me the net.
Okay.
No, just put that one in there. Spanish.
Yeah. Got a Spanish, Thomas.
Yeah.
Nice.
Basically what we do,
Sick, bro.
we get the fish to the boat. I'm going to get up here, and then you'll hold it. Just set that down on the seat or something.
Okay.
For right now.
Yeah.
Move that last one. There you go. Good job.
Good job, Tom.
We caught a bunch of those the other day. Put this in that seat back there.
Gotcha.
Just up from one end to the other.
Okay.
Then you can hand me that net.
Already more successful.
Yeah, Thomas didn't even catch a fish last time. That was sick, wasn't it? Yeah.
They didn't pull very hard.
Yeah.
So what's the legal limit on length on boats?
12 inches.
He was 12.
Yeah, you're good. You get to keep
12
it.
inches every morning, no 12 inches.
Nice.
Great.
Trolling.
Got the trolling baits look like this. But yeah, Thomas just got a mackerel.
Every year for the last probably 5 years, I caught my first mahi in the year right in here.
Really? Oh, nice. You got, is there structure underneath here?
No, it's just a channel.
Just a channel?
Coming
Yeah.
out of the pass.
Yeah. All
The
right.
thing that's hurting right now is probably all the fresh water coming out from the rain.
Yeah.
The water's still nice and blue. There's a structure right up here in front of us. about
Gotcha.
8 cents of a mile, and there's another spot where there's more structure a little bit further than that. We're going to troll to those, and then we're going to pick up and haul that down the beach a little bit.
Yeah.
Try to find a bigger fish. Have that one. Drill that one in. Get it further up. Further up.
Good job, Tom. What you think, Thomas? How's it feel?
Well, might be a mahi.
Mahi or Spanish?
Tight.
Yeah, keep that thing going.
That's a heavy lure. A little mahi
Yeah.
can't really step out of the water.
That's what I was about to say. What is it? Can't tell.
Little
Oh,
mahi.
Yeah.
oh, little mahi.
Yeah.
Sick. What's the size limits on those guys? 9? You get to keep it, Tom.
Yes.
Sick.
All right, let me see that
That's a
rod.
cool looking fish.
That's what you got.
Yeah, off that pink lure. Man, did it take it slow or was it straight?
I knew there was fish there.
Oh man, we got on them. That's a good sign. Hope there's more of them. Yeah,
We catch a mahi on the way by.
yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's what we're looking for, something like that.
Going in yet?
Yeah, it's coming.
So the top of it.
Put it here. Look. Right back in here. There you go. Put off that other line if you can.
want me to reel the big one in?
No, we're good.
Okay.
That one's way out there.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, that one's way back there.
Hey, that was a good one, Tom.
That might be our bonita right there. Come on.
But these fish big. You ever watch Step Brothers?
Watch what?
Step Brothers.
Start me out.
Oh.
Here, I'll help you. Don't tell me that, I'll help you.
I want you to do right here. Nope. Go a little bit. All right, you're good. Right there.
There you go.
Right there. Lee.
That thing pulling at it, Tom.
You just keep doing what you're doing, man.
You're doing great.
Hang on, stop. You're not getting blind. That's a big fish.
You're doing good, bro. Probably your PB, whatever. What's the biggest fish you've ever caught? You...
Oh, catch 200-pound sharks all the time.
Ooh!
Good thing you got that one on that one and not that little one.
Man.
You don't have to hurry with it. You can take
Yeah,
your
you're
time.
good, bro. Just
You're finally getting some line on him, man.
yeah. You... Oh, there you go, bro.
No whining allowed.
Is he whining?
Little vagina's getting wet.
Ain't that the truth? Come on. Come on,
On the
Tom.
boat, I want you to put your rod tip in the water, okay?
There we go, there we go.
He lost the hook when he hit it.
It's coming. There you go.
Come on. Oh, it's big old bonita.
Good bonita.
That's good. Don't really want, don't really want.
Right there, Thomas.
Discover credit cards automatically double all the cash back you earn at the end of your first year, which means
There you go.
automatically doubles all
Look
your
at the
cash back.
pattern on that. That is sick. Look at the pattern, Thomas. Tired?
A little bit. It was old.
Sweet. That's not my heat. Is it?
Leave right there. Leave right there.
Okay.
Leave in the water.
I got him one mahi. You want me to let it slack out? Okay.
They're holding on something over there.
All right, you want me to pull them up? Or?
Haste makes fuck up.
Yeah, I agree with you. That's why you.
I had a guy who's actually a charter captain now.
Yeah.
A long time ago, we were really good friends,
Mm-hmm.
and we found a piece of floating plastic with a bunch of body on it. All right, so I'll handle the fish. Let me pull him out.
Oh, okay.
And and the second time he went to it, he ran over it.
Oh, damn.
Guess what happened to all the fish?
Gone.
Put it out. If there's mahi there, they'll come up.
Yeah.
Reel up all your slack. Point your rod tip right at your bait. Point your rod tip at your bait. You're way off the bait. There you go. Look at that mahi jump out there.
Yeah.
Did you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Nope, not those. One of these right here.
Okay.
See that? Did you see that second mahi jump? See either one of them jump?
You didn't see it?
Yeah. They jumped twice. They look like they're decent size too. You can just put those out.
That one looked like it was all right. That was a bigger one.
Oh, a little bit bigger one.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah.
a nice one. Move up ahead of me. Move up in front of me. In front of me.
Okay.
That's why people's vaginas get all wet and they start crying. They come to do something, they don't fucking listen to me, and I say, in front of me, and stand it in front of me.
There we go. That's a good. That is a good.
Come on, get him in the boat. What y'all wanted to do?
Oh hell yeah! Hell yeah! Get your ass in the boat. Get your ass in the boat. There we go. Woo! That's what we want. Right when you set it in the water, basically. That is a nice one. You alright? Got him in the eyeball.
Just as long as we get.
Yeah, no matter to me where the hell I catch it. So you think it's this structure right here is why they're biting around it? Yeah.
They were close to it that time.
Yeah.
Where's it at? You see it?
Yeah, it's still right in here. I went under and wait if I gotta find it again. There's that debris right in there. Got a double. Well, how'd you feel, Tommy? Mine feels all right.
Yeah, they may not be lucky. See where this is at. Go over those rods. Is it underneath or over top?
Mine's underneath.
You take your rod, go over the top of those rods, come around the side. Come. There you go.
Okay.
Now come around, come around, come around. We'll turn the boat.
Got him.
You got a little bonita.
Yeah.
Hang on. Move up forward, move forward a little bit. Thank you. Yours is into the boat too already?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
2 bonitas.
That's good. All right. Hang on, let me just get this going.
It's fun when they do that, huh?
Super fun.
Yeah.
I got a guy that's been fishing with me once a week for about 15 years,
Yeah,
and that's all he wants to catch. I'm gonna let this out, then I'll get through fishing.
gotcha. So make sure they don't get wrapped around in each other.
You're all right. You throw yours in. You just lift yours up, throw them in the boat.
Fine.
There you go. That's good. Good. So you said you wanted one fixed up for sashimi?
Yeah,
How they like
I
it?
wouldn't mind it.
Okay. Which one's bigger? That one?
I think this one looks bigger.
All right. So I'm gonna. Let's see.
Oh, I like the color on that.
Hmm?
I like the color on that.
Yeah. It's crazy, the patterns on it, don't it? It almost look like a damn tiger. All right.
Grab this fish around there. Hold him tight. Okay, I want you to hold him over. No, you got to hold him tight, man. Hold him around the tail. Hold him tight, as tight as you can. Hold him over the boat, over the side of the boat. There you go. Let him bleed.
So what does this do?
It bleeds him.
Is that what gives you that fishy taste?
It'll taste different than if it's not bleeding.
Yeah.
I've never eaten one not bled out.
Yeah.
So they won't know how to clean that, how to do that at the fish market.
Yeah.
So I have some Ziploc bags on the boat. I'll take care of it for you
Oh, I appreciate it.
before we part ways.
I appreciate that, man. That was a cool little double, Thomas.
All right. Throw him in the ice.
How you do it and everything.
You could tell your friend that's going to eat it to soak the fillet in a teriyaki sauce all day,
Okay.
and then you can can eat it raw or you can eat it with some rice.
For a whole day or just like
It's the
6
afternoon.
hours?
The
Yeah.
afternoon.
Gotcha. Got Spanish mackerel. These things, we got this right off the bat, right?
Yep.
There's your other mahi. You gotta hold those up in front of the camera. And then there's those.
Humans.
Yeah, man, the mahi.
Look at this. This is a big.
This probably the biggest of the whole day. We get out here. Look at that thing. Woo, 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 woo. Television outdoors. We in Panama. And we catch them all. All right, man.
That one is a king mackerel.
King mackerel.
Yeah, Jackie.
King mackerel. What's that?
That's a king mackerel. So yeah, these got beautiful yellows and little blue dots, and green in there, and a little teal. This one we saw jump up out of the water, and me and the boat captain saw him, and we turned around on those jigs, and this is what I caught. Man, these are pretty fish. Pretty fish. Mahi mahi. Yeah. Alabuzi. We going fishing in the ocean. That's the mission. Alright, so the last bigger fish that we caught was the Spanish mackerel. We caught 3 species of fish. No, actually 4 species. We caught the king, the Spanish, the bonita, and the mahi. So yeah, we caught all kinds of cool little fish. This one is a slender fish. That one's cool. They got these little spots on it. Really cool fish. And I'm glad we got to hit some of these today. Glad y'all tuned in with us today. Just a nice place to go fishing out here at PCB. I'm definitely going to get another charter with the same guy next year. We'll do the same thing. Man, it's a great time on the beach. Might have a couple more little stuff on the pier to show y'all. Might go fishing tonight. We went fishing the other night. Did catch a little catfish in the croaker, but we had something big on the croaker that broke the line. But yeah, I'm gonna might show y'all a couple more fishing trips, but this is the main one, and we caught some main fish. Television Outdoors for the people on the beach.
Sunshine.